TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update, and currently right now a little bit of a mixed bag out here. You've got the Dow's up 54, the S&P's up 3.5, NASDAQ's up 50, Russell's down 6, semis are up 1. Let's go take a look at our daily cash indice charts out here. We begin by taking a look at the Dow Jones. If we tell you what we're going to begin with. We're going to begin with the Wilshire 5000. As people are trying to understand, rightfully so, hey, have these markets topped or not? Now, the Wilshire 5000 doing its best job to represent the U.S. out here. So if you're asking, is there any kind of significant top in the U.S.? And no, by the way, the answer here is no. Now, the reason why you say no is because this did from back in, let me get my crosshair out here. This formed a nice Rhodes Momentum Indicator signal back in April. April 30th is when we got the signal. And yesterday, price closed above the top of that pattern. So it has negated that. The Wilshire 5000 has no topping signal in place and says that it wants to continue to move higher. So U.S. stocks are looking very, very strong. If we take a look at the Dow, it has not taken out its topping signal. That topping signal is wave number 7, a Rhodes Momentum Indicator signal, a little shooting star out here, price below its oscillator and change line. So it does have its seasonal topping pattern in play. Price would need to take out 34, 250, 387 to suggest any kind of a problem. If you look at the S&P 500, if the S&P 500 is able to close above its high that formed that Rhodes Momentum Indicator signal, that would be 42.3804. If price closes above that, well, it will negate its signal and say, hey, no sell in May top just yet. Maybe it will be a sell in June signal. If we take a look at the NDX 100, it negated a TD9 count top that had formed last week. That is suggested to move up to 13,969. And there it may, in fact, top. At 13,969 is the number. The Russell 2000's cash indice yesterday closing above a TD9 breakdown level of 23,4060. Today is saying, well, even though I broke through that, I don't know if I really meant to do the job. Watch 23,4060. If price closes above that, the Russell 2000 is signaling a move back to its all-time highs. You've got the semis trading lower today, but there's nothing broken here. It does have a TD9 count top. Watch that oscillator and change line in the 3153 area. If price is able to simply hold that, it maintains its neutral to bullish stance. Folks, stay tuned for David White, your favorite polar bear. He's up next. After that, Tom O'Brien to take us on home. I'll be back with you on Terrific Thursday. Have a wonderful Wednesday, folks.